Ever wondered which operating system is the ultimate tech superhero? Welcome to Educational Hack, where we're about to witness a clash of the titans in the digital realm. Today's contestants, Windows, Mac, and Linux. Imagine Windows as our Iron Man of operating systems. It suits up and charges into battle with a superpower that's hard to beat. An unrivaled support for gaming and 3D animation. Its expansive ecosystem of drivers, the formidable DirectX, and a vast library of games transform it into an undisputed champion for gamers and 3D enthusiasts. Now picture Mac as the Batman of the operating system world. It swoops in from the shadows, armed with an unmatched attention to detail, and elevates video editing and productivity to an art form. With its elegant design and specialized tools, led by the renowned Final Cut Pro, Mac becomes the trusted ally of creative professionals. On the other side of the ring, we have Linux, the Superman of operating systems. Its super strength? An uncanny ability to manage packages with finesse and breathe life into aging hardware. For coders and developers, Linux offers a nurturing environment with a treasure trove of development tools. It earns its cape as a true revitalizer. So we've seen our heroes in action, each with its unique strengths. Windows, the Iron Man, excels in gaming and 3D animation. Mac, our Batman, shines in video editing and productivity, and Linux, the Superman, thrives in package management and development. The ultimate tech superhero? Well, that depends on your specific mission. Don't forget to weigh in on this battle of the OS Titans in the comments below. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to continue embarking on more tech adventures with us. This is signing off for now, but remember, the battle of the operating systems continues.